Snowmobiling is an amazing pastime and sport, and motor technology advancements in the last decade alone have been nothing short of incredible, with manufacturers pushing the limits of power and economy past anywhere we thought possible. But when you boil all of that amazing engine tech down, there's one link between your engine and getting all of that great horsepower to the snow, and that link is your drive belt. And while it may be the last thing that's on your mind when you pick up your new sled from the dealership or you roll the old iron out of the storage, it should in reality be the first thing on your mind. Now, I'm not saying you need to bandolier up your sled with a half dozen drive belts, nor am I saying that your stock belt isn't any good. But remember, having a high quality, purpose-built belt provides dependability, performance, and value. And the belts that I'm referring to are the Ultimax line of performance drive belts. There's 3 different lines within their brand, the Pro, the Max, as well as the XS. And they cover everything from vintage sleds all the way up to your brand new 2020 170 plus horsepower sleds. What I have here to install today is the Ultimax XS drive belt. The XS is the top of the line belt from Ultimax and is specifically designed with the highest horsepower sleds in mind. Ultimax specifically formulates rubber compounds that are found in no other belts on the market, which allow them to offer incredible efficiency and peak power delivery. And remember, on a CVT snowmobile, a small increase in driveline efficiency can mean significantly better performance that you're going to feel from the first throttle blip to wide open pulls down the lake. Ultimax is not a company that makes a wide range of products for a wide range of consumers. Nope, they are a company who builds drive belts, and that is all that they do. With over 30 years of experience in the power sports belt category, they know their stuff and are the only aftermarket belt brand to supply belts to the manufacturers. They're trusted by the OEMs to deliver a quality product and have incredible reputation for first-class customer service, which from our experience, you're not going to be needing much of. And what do I mean by that? Well, from our experience using Ultimax belts all last season, as well as all throughout the summer on everything from sleds to ATVs and side-by-sides, we have had 0 problems. I'm talking no complaints. Maybe it's the fact that Ultimax stands behind their snowmobile drive belts with a hassle-free 1-year replacement warranty on all 3 belt lines: the Ultimax XS high horsepower, Ultimax Pro mid horsepower, and Ultimax Max lower horsepower lines. Or it could be that they don't just mass produce belts without putting them through rigorous testing that adds up to over 1 million miles in the field each season. Yeah, these folks mean business, and their products are built with enthusiasts in mind. So here's my suggestion to you. Whether you just bought a brand new sled and are picking it up from the dealership, or you're pulling your old sled out of storage, give Ultimax a try and follow these simple steps. Take your stock belt off your sled and replace it with an Ultimax XS, Pro, or Max, depending on your sled's performance level. Don't toss your old belt out unless it shows signs it's toast, but keep it as your backup on your sled. Ensure you put the new Ultimax belt through the break-in process of half throttle or less for the first 20 miles. I know it's hard to do, but trust me, this is key to ensuring that you get the most performance in life out of your drive belt. And that's that. If you follow these simple steps, you're going to be set up for miles of worry-free service this season and beyond. Because in reality, who's got time for changing belts trailside? Winter's only so long, spend it riding. If you like what you've just seen, click the subscribe button and comment below. And make sure you check out all of our great videos on SnowtraxtV's YouTube channel.